Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to send messages on WhatsApp without saving the phone number in your contacts. So let's get started. First of all, find the WhatsApp on your home screen. Now click on it. Here you can see there is the plus sign on the top right corner. Now click on it. Here you can find the message yourself option. Now click on it. Now you are in the message yourself box. Type the number that you want to send the message. After typing the message, simply send it. After that, tap on to the number that you just sent like this. Now the WhatsApp will show you the option to chat with the phone number that you just sent. Now click on to chat. Finally, you can chat with the number without saving it like this. And that's it. You can send your message without saving the number to your contacts. The person will receive your message and you can continue chatting on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.